Good morning, and welcome to the Hillbilly Hoarder. We're back out here at the building. We brought the deer out some treats, and this is little girl. And she's babysitting again. Aren't these animals just beautiful? That little fawn's over there trying to eat some corn. Having a tough time with that corn, I believe. There she comes in. What you doing, baby? You're just beautiful. You're just beautiful. What you doing? What you doing there, baby? There were some hazelnuts in with that corn. She didn't know what to think of that hazelnut, I don't think. This makes my day so much better to see these beautiful animals. And I hope it makes your day better also. Well, thank you for watching. We really appreciate the support, and we sure hope you have a nice day. What you doing, baby? You wanna try it again? You don't wanna try it again? I scared you? You have to move slow. Did you hear that little noise that little fawn made? Like a little baby doll.